Hello friends, myself Pragati Jadhav. I am from Division B. Now I am explain one program of C language. My program is to understand if-else statement. If-else is a decision type of controlled statement. As we know that without header file our program will be not executed. So I use here #include studio.h and #include conio.h as a preprocessor statement. I use int as a main function. CLRSCR to clear previous screen and use getch to hold the output screen. Before CLRSCR we declare our variable. So here I declare my variable a. Now write the body of if and else. Opening of opening of opening and closing of curly bracket represent a body of if and else. In the curly bracket mention instruction and commands. Here I can give my variable value is 1 and in the round bracket mention logical condition. Here I mention my logical condition a is equal to 10, but here logical condition is false, therefore if part will be not executed, it jump towards the else part and else part will be executed. Let us check. The value of a is not 10. Now here I am change the logical condition. Here I write logical condition a is not equal to 10. Here logical condition is true. Output screen display value of a is 10. But in this condition the value of a is not equal to 10. Here output screen result is a wrong. Let us check output screen result. The value of a is 10. But here value of a is wrong. Therefore we take care of round bracket condition. Now I am change my variable value a is equal to 10. If I give the value of a is 10, then logical condition is true. In this case else part will not be executed, only the body of if part will be executed. Let us check our output result. The value of a is 10. Here my program is end. Thank you. ते गेलं सगळं सेवच झाला नाही म्हणजे प्रोग्राम सेवच झाला नाही.
अजून मी करायचं थांबते हो.
कसं
केलं नसलं बघू काय सुद्धा अजून 20-30 सेकंद